guys, I'm Hannah from Standard Electric, and today we're going to be talking about the timer relays from Schneider Electric. These timer relays are the ultimate timekeepers. From starting at a certain time to going over a certain period or even doing a delayed start, these little timer relays can do it all. From milliseconds to hours, they have you covered. For whatever extreme temperatures your panel is in, these compact little guys are super easy for installation. These timer relays are the multitaskers of the relay world. From controlling everything from lights to HVAC machines to heavy-duty industrial machinery. While I am a newbie learner, these guys are pretty awesome. Flexible, reliable, easy to use. These guys are the perfect timekeepers. Who knew that relays could be so powerful? If you are interested in timer relays, go to standardelectricsupply.com or go and talk to one of our account managers today. And that is it for Harmony Relays with Hannah.